Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to announce that my best friend is getting married. She sent everyone these lovely bridesmaid proposal boxes, and I wanted to share as inspiration for other brides.
I am in charge of the girl.
Are you in charge of the girl?
I am in charge of the girl.
If you're wondering if I said yes, of course I said yes. I am so excited to share with you all some of the DIYs and things that we do leading up to the big day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.